Okay guys, so this is a Ezbook 2. Just installing a new screen. This screen is already broken. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so originally this thing's all tied together. All you had to do is get pliers. You pry these out. And essentially all this is going to come off. And it's going to look like this. Don't bend it anymore because it's going to break. I've seen a lot of YouTube videos. They literally tell you to bend it to get the screws out. That's not the proper way to do it. But I'm going to show you later what to do. So there's 4 screws. There's these right here. And then 2 bottom ones at the end. You won't see it, but essentially I already took it out. So there's 2 screws at the bottom too. So it's a total of 4. And there's tape behind there, and essentially it's there's a cable inside there. That cable is going to get disconnected, and you could look up other videos on YouTube. I saw other guys do it, but their way I didn't really like, because it's really hard to try to get down here. So I'm going to take out this whole thing and separate them, and I'll show you guys afterwards what I do. So to separate the screen and the computer, the laptop itself, I'm gonna unscrew all of these right here. So there's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10 screws. Alright, so basically I'm going to unscrew these hinges. Alright, so I took these 4 screws out on each side, so it's 8 screws total. Now I'm just going to separate the screen from the monitor. So let's do that. I might have to... This. So this part right here, I gotta unscrew this. I'm gonna free up the heat sink a little bit. That's gonna give me some leeway over here. And then you can see that little ribbon, I gotta take it off. Right, so that separates the screen, the computer. Alright, so now I'm just going to put this away. So now I'm going to put the screen on this screen first. So right now it's separated already. And now you just take off the rest. So the bottom of the screen, there's this part, you got to separate them. See how it's coming apart?
Now it's completely off. So this is the ribbon right here. That's going to connect to the monitor. So
this part is the one that connects to the computer. Let me show you guys. So this one connects to the computer or the main board, and this ribbon is going to connect to your screen, and that's behind it. All right. So I just got out the new screen from the box, and basically just put the screen down and connected that connector, this one right there, to that ribbon. And that's it. That's all I'm doing so far. Before I close the screen, I'm pulling up the 4 screws again before I put this thing back on. Oh, by the way, guys, just want to mention the wire's supposed to be behind this thing, and it's supposed to be fished inside these plastic tabs. Just putting it back on this thing for this wire. Alright, I'm screwing those 8 screws back, 4 on each side. Screwing the screw on the corner. I had to lift this off to put it in the ribbon, remember? So
that was that.